Maryville Armory, there are so many little places to hide away, sit and relax and be quiet. There's little nooks and little crannies, and there's some beautiful chairs, so it's a really great resort for some peace and quiet. That's what I feel from this place. Ocean is gorgeous, you can see behind me. Lots of pools, lots of chairs. I'm sure this is a resort that you would absolutely love. There are 268 rooms at the Maryville Armory. Right now I'm looking at the adult-only section, and behind they have an adult-only pool. Plus they have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom suites, which is nice if you're here with your family and you would each like to have your own bed and room. I love the birds singing in the morning. In Mexico, it's so beautiful. They make you happy. Here's a sneak peek of the adult-only section with their own chairs and umbrellas and pool. Doesn't this look inviting? Private area with beautiful lounge chairs and a smaller pool. This is a little peek at Essence Restaurant. How lovely. I love dining outside when I'm in Mexico. This was the room I was in, building 4, with that beautiful ocean view. This is the perfect resort for relaxation. Good morning to the breakfast buffet. Cottage cheese, yogurt, selection of meats, cheeses, and tomatoes and lox, a toaster, Variety of juices: papaya, green juice with celery, grapefruit, orange, cereal, milk, pineapple juice, and watermelon juice. A great selection of baked goods. I love Mexican baked goods. They are so tasty. And this is your view in the morning while you're having your coffee and juice. A selection of fresh fruit and covered. Prunes and toppings for your cereal. And the omelet station with Italian sausage, tamales and green sauce. Toasted jalapeno. All the toppings for your omelet. Ham, chicken, the tortillas, selection of syrups, peanut butter, potato. I think I'll have some of those for sure. Good morning. Some pulled pork with onions, hot chocolate, oatmeal, eggs Benedict. Ooh, now that looks good. Enjoying breakfast at the Merivale Armory. A fire pit for cozy evenings.
Thank you. You're welcome. I'm going.